Let me come back watching my video. Top 10 worst Sonic games. Okay, the last one. Let's see what it is. Hope it's the one I'm thinking about.
Good God, we're almost done. So the only thing that can top Sonic 06? What's the one thing in the world that's more broken than Sonic 06?
I know.
Kinect. And what Sonic game was on the Kinect?
Wait a minute. Wait, what? Whoa. You missed one. The one who made this video actually missed one. It's Sonic Boom! Rise of Lyric! How could you miss this one? It's the worst Sonic game in 2015. It's 14. It's like the worst Sonic game ever. How could you forget about it? No. Did you really forget about Sonic Boom? Rise of Lyric? It's like the worst game ever! Ugh.